These are the top 5 funniest cat and water moments.
Careful, please. Really careful. Not yet.
Bro can't even walk in a straight line.
Oh, shit.
You tried.
Here, Bear. You okay? Where are you? He's mad.
Drowning?
No. Come on, buddy. Come here.
What was the idea behind that? I was getting worried for a second.
Huh?
Don't worry, he just wanted a quick swim.
Oh, my God. Come on. You got it. You got it. You got it. Come on. You got it. You got it. What?